Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reverse an app update on Android using just your phone settings. Start by opening the Settings app and scrolling down to Apps or App Management, depending on your device. Find and tap the app you want to roll back. For this one, let's try Google Play Store. Once inside the app, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Uninstall Updates. This method applies to most Android phones depending on the phone model, but in my case, it's found at the bottom. This will remove the most recent update and restore the version that originally came with your phone. Keep in mind that not all apps allow this option. System apps and some pre-installed ones usually do. For other apps you installed yourself, you'll need to uninstall them entirely and then reinstall an older version manually from a trusted source. And that's how you reverse an app update on Android. Thanks for watching.